Hello and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create light burst effects on text. So to begin with, create a new document and fill that document with black. Then select your type tool and type in a word of your choice. Then I'm going to use my move arrow and transform just to scale up the word. If you hold shift while you're working, it will constrain the proportions. And then just moving into position, so I'm going to aim for the center there. Then we're going to add some effects to this, so down the bottom right, clicking on effects, and we're going to go to blending options, and in blending options we're going to choose gradient overlay, and then we're going to click on the gradient overlay tab here and choose black to white. Then we're going to click on the swatch here and double click to change the color, so I'm going to go for a nice dark blue and press OK. Then I'm going to click on the white swatch and double click, and we're going to add a much lighter blue. So just checking out the screen as you're working here, checking out the image to get the desired effect. Then clicking OK and OK again. And then going to go to bevel and emboss. The depth is going to be quite strong, so we're setting the depth here to 400. The direction is going to be up, and the size is going to be around about 5, and the opacity of highlight is 80%. The opacity of shadow is 70%. So clicking OK there. We're then going to duplicate this layer a few times. So dragging it down to the duplicate button here, I'm aiming to duplicate it 3 times. So we end up with 3 copies and 1 original. Then holding, once the top layer is selected, holding shift and then clicking on the 3rd layer down there, so they are all selected, going to change the blend mode to dissolve. So combining those layers together. Then I'm going to right click on one of those layers. I'm going to go to rasterize type to turn them into pixel layers. Then we're going to right click again and go to merge layers. So down the bottom here, merge layers to bring them all into one. And then the next step is to use a filter. So we're going to filter, blur and radial blur. And we're going to set the effect to zoom rather than spin. Okay, so we're going to go to zoom. The amount is going to be 100, and you can change the quality here to suit. I'm going to click good, so it's a little bit faster for you guys, but best is obviously better quality. So clicking that is going to do its magic. So obviously we have quite a nice effect appearing here already. There's a few things you can do to improve this. If we click on the layer mode here and go to linear dodge, it's going to increase the lighting effects. Then you can also duplicate that layer again. It will strengthen that effect. You could try experimenting with adding some more zooming, and of course you can also try using your transform effects and scale. If you hold shift and alt while working, so it will constrain the proportions and move from the center, you can bring out those effects to give that even more increased zoom effect. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and good luck with your own lighting zoom effects. Thank you.